Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer subscription payments from Chargebee to bank, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer subscription payments from Chargebee to your bank, start by logging into your Chargebee account. Navigate to the Payments section on the dashboard. Select Payment Methods to review your current. Make sure your bank account is correctly linked in the system. If it isn't linked yet, click on Add New Payment Method. Fill in your bank account details as required. Verify the information to ensure accuracy before saving. Next, go to the Transactions section to view recent payments. Locate the subscription payments you wish to transfer. Choose the payments you want to process. Click on the Transfer to Bank option. Confirm the selection and follow the prompts on the screen. You may be asked to provide additional verification for security purposes. Once confirmed, you'll see a summary of the transfer request. Keep an eye on the processing time, as it may take a few days. Check your bank account to verify that the funds have been received. Should any issues arise, consult Chargebee's support documentation for troubleshooting. Always ensure your payment records are up to date in Chargebee for accurate reporting. You have now completed the process of transferring subscription payments from Chargebee to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.